guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is my makeup tutorial for traveling. So we go away quite a lot and we love to travel and we go on aeroplanes, and it's quite tough to find makeup that is suitable. So you kind of want something that's long lasting, long wearing, sweat proof, sleep proof, and doesn't smudge. I don't know about you, but when I'm on a plane I sleep. So I want something that if I'm going to lie on my face, I'm not going to have a big handprint on my face from my makeup. I also want something that's not going to budge or move around with sweat, like when I get to the country if it's hot. I also want something that lasts hours and hours, because we go on long haul flights and we're on a flight sometimes for 10+ hours. So I need something to last a long time as well. So today I'm going to be sharing my tips and the makeup that I like to wear whilst traveling. So yeah, let's just get started. Okay, I'm going to start by using this Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, herbs and rose water just to refresh my face. Then I'm going in with a face moisturiser, and this one has SPF. So when I'm traveling, I usually go to a country that is hot. I need some kind of SPF on my face. Now this is just a moisturiser. It's the Nivea Soothing Day Cream 24-hour moisturiser for sensitive skin, and it has SPF 15. So I'm going to apply this with my Real Techniques stippling brush. Now, I absolutely love this foundation for many reasons. So I like to wear this traveling, first of all because it has SPF 15 in it. Second of all, it's really lightweight. So I do not ever travel with a full coverage or a heavy foundation. I always have a light coverage, lightweight foundation on when I'm traveling. That way, when I'm sleeping and things like that, it's not going to move the foundation too much. Whereas if I had thick, cakey, full-on foundation, if I accidentally smudge my face, it's going to move. With a lightweight foundation, that's not going to happen. This is also quite a natural everyday foundation as well. So when I get to the other country, it's not going to like slip and slide and move around because of the heat. So it's kind of like semi-sweat proof as well. So I really like it. And it's the number 7 Essentially Natural foundation in the shade Calico. So I'm going to be applying this with my IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe All Over Complexion Perfection foundation brush. So that's just a really natural, lightweight foundation, but it still gives you that coverage and the look that you want, along with the SPF protection as well. Now I'm going to go in with some concealers. These are the Collection Lasting Perfection concealers, and these are 16-hour wear. They're also waterproof and smudge proof and budge proof. So if you fall asleep, if any tears come out your eyes, anything smudging, it's not going to happen. These do not budge. So I'm mixing the two colours Extra Fair 4 and Fair 5, and I'm going to blend it in with my Real Techniques contour brush. Now I'm going in with a really good setting powder. So this is the Colourpop No Filter Setting Loose Powder in the shade Transparent on my Morphe G35 brush around my eye area first. This is actually a really good powder to keep your makeup in place all day. And then I'm going to set the rest of my face using my Morphe E2 brush. Okay, next up I'm going to contour my face using the NYX HD Blush in the shade Taupe. Nothing too heavy, but I just want a little bit of definition. And I'm using my USpicy 27 brush. Then I'm going in with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer in the shade Light Bronzer. This is a really long lasting bronzer. It lasts like all day, so this is probably one of my favourite ones to wear travelling. And I'm going to use my IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Powder Brush. Now for blush, this is a super long lasting, long wearing blush. This is the Colourpop Pressed Powder Blush in the shade Flirt Alert. And I'm going to use my IT Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Flawless Blush Brush to apply it. Now for highlighter, I'm using the Wet n Wild Colour Icon Bronzer, but it's a highlighter, in the shade Reserve Your Cabana on my Real Techniques setting brush. Now for when I'm travelling, I don't really use any eyeshadow, but sometimes I will do a little bit of something. So today I'm going to use the butter bronzer that I used earlier just through the crease, just to give me a little bit of definition, using my Morphe R37 brush. Nothing much, just a little bit of something. Then I'm going to use my Colourpop Brow Boss Gel in the shade Clear on my eyebrows. This keeps your eyebrows in place all day, so it's really, really good. Now, definitely you need a setting spray. 100% you need a setting spray. I'm going for a dewy finish one because I know, this is just me personally, my skin dries out on a flight. Don't ask me why, but I come off a flight with super dry lips, super dry skin, super dry hands. Everything is super dry and sensitive when I get off a flight. So I want as much hydration as possible. So I'm using this Barry Flawless Mist and Fix Makeup Setting Spray Dewy Finish, just to give me a little bit of glow and hydration for the flight. Now I'm going to use my NYX Slide On Glide On Brown Perfection eyeliner. Then I'm using my Tweezerman eyelash curlers and my Colourpop Act Natural Defining Mascara in the shade Black. And then finally for lips, I'm using the e.l.f. Retro Paradise Dream On Lip Gloss in the shade Strawberry Daiquiri. So that completes this video. These were my top tips for travelling, the makeup for travelling. This is the type of makeup I would wear when I'm travelling because it's long lasting, long wearing, transfer proof, sweat proof, and quite a natural everyday look. So yeah, I hope this was helpful and I hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already so you can see all my other videos. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!